Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee oil. We will cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final storage. This guide will help you create a versatile and fragrant coffee oil right in your own kitchen. It is a simple process that yields a wonderful product for various uses, from skincare to culinary applications. Get ready to infuse some amazing aroma. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You will need approximately 1/2 cup of fresh, finely ground coffee, preferably a dark roast for a richer aroma. Next, choose 1 cup of a good quality carrier oil, such as olive, almond, or jojoba oil. Finally, have a clean glass jar, a fine mesh strainer, and some cheesecloth ready for the infusion and filtering steps. Now, let's start the infusion process. Combine your 1/2 cup of coffee grounds with 1 cup of carrier oil in the glass jar. Place this jar into a double boiler, or a pot with a few inches of water, and gently heat it over low heat. Allow the mixture to infuse for about 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally. This slow, gentle heat helps extract the coffee's beneficial compounds into the oil. Once your coffee oil has cooled completely, it is time to strain it. Place your fine mesh strainer over a clean bowl and line it with a few layers of cheesecloth. Carefully pour the infused oil through the cheesecloth, allowing it to filter. Gently squeeze the coffee grounds to extract every last drop of precious oil. Finally, transfer your homemade coffee oil into a dark, airtight glass bottle for optimal freshness and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.